How's everyone doing? Hopefully you're doing well. I'm not doing good today. It happened again. I stripped the stinking bolt again, trying to get it to torque to 52 foot-pounds like the service manual says. And now it's worse because the rear crossmember plate got stripped. Trying to torque it down to 52 foot-pounds. And the front crossmember, the bolts that go into the frame, are now stripped also. So I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I mean, I can get the other parts, but as far as the frame bolts being pulled, I mean, they're not 100% stripped, but they're pulled. I don't know what to do. Maybe someone can get this to Mr. Subaru and he can hit me up and tell me what a good course of action would be. But as of right now, I feel like I'm screwed. I don't know what to do. Yeah. Can't think of anything else. So, like, I literally got to put on, started torquing it down, and it did the exact same thing. But this time, when I went to do the bolts for the front transmission crossmember, when I went to take them off, they were really hard to get off. And then that's when I noticed, when I torqued them down, which I torqued them to 95 foot-pounds, and you're supposed to do 104 or 103.3 is what the manual says. So I don't know what to do. Yeah, I don't know what to do. Y'all tag Mr. Subaru. I'll try to tag Mr. Subaru and see if he can help me out. Or if anyone knows of a way to fix it. It's a 2017 WRX STI. So give me a heads up.